What's good, guys? You're welcome to the channel. So today I'll be showing you a simple strategy which you can use to pass your problem challenge in 2025. So this strategy is trend based. All we are looking for is a market going in one direction, and we are looking for entries. So we want the market to be going up. For example, let's say an uptrend in the monthly time frame, and we also need a uptrend in the weekly time frame, and also then we'll go down to our daily time frame. Now on our daily time frame, there are two criteria which we look for trade. First one is a break and retest. We have something like this. We call it the break and retest. And the second one, we look for price coming back to a demand zone like this. So these are the two criteria we are looking for on the daily time frame. So in summary, in the monthly time frame, we're looking for a trend, which is an uptrend. On the weekly time frame, we're looking for an uptrend. And on the daily time frame, we are looking for a break and retest or price coming back to a demand zone. For the reverse or the sell, in the monthly time frame, we are looking for a downtrend. On the weekly time frame, we are looking for a downtrend. And on the daily time frame, we just look for price to come back to a zone, which is the break and retest, coming back to this zone, or we wait for price to come back to a supply zone. So price take out the low, move back to this supply zone here, then we look for sell in the 4 hours. So it's a strategy that is based on multiple time frame analysis. So just as we stated, here we take it as a monthly time frame, here we take it as a weekly time frame. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also you can also join the Telegram channel, which there will be giving signals for you to be able to profit from the market. So we also have a premium class which you can join for you to be able to enhance your trading skills in 2025. So we also look for the supply and demand on the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we are still looking for a trend. On the 4 hours, we are looking for an entry criteria. So it might be a break of a counter trend line. That means, for example, on this, we are looking for something like this. The market is going upward on the 4 hours. Then we draw a counter trend line, which will be in this way. So immediately price breaks below the counter trend line is an entry on 4 hours. So this is the way we look at the market with this strategy. So let's go to different examples. We have here US 500 on the monthly time frame. The market is where one direction is going upward. We can see that it's creating higher highs and higher lows, meaning that the market is going upward. On the weekly time frame, we can also see that the market is going up. So we can see the structure creating higher highs and higher lows. You can see this is a higher high. At this point in time, market created a new higher high. So on the weekly time frame, you can see the market is creating higher highs. So the market break this high, created a new higher high. Also at this point, it created a new higher low. After the market broke here, we got a new higher low, and at this point, the market created a new higher high. So we can see that this market is valid. It's actually going up in line with the monthly time frame. So all we look for on the next time frame, which is the daily time frame, we are either entering at a demand zone or we are entering at a break and retest. So let's go down to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, all you're looking for, example, this point here, this is a demand zone. We take the last point in a swing. So for example, if the market is moving like this point here, this is a demand. This is the demand zone for the market to go higher. So we take this point as our demand zone. So we wait for price to come back to the demand, which is here, and we look for entry on the 4 hours. This is the first type of entry. The second type of entry, we wait for price to form a break and retest. A break and retest in this way is something like this. So this is a break and retest. You can see that here was a previous resistance changed towards a support. So this is a break and retest, while this is a demand zone for your entry. Either you see this or you see this. So any one of them you see is valid. Example here, this is a demand zone. Anyone that works well for you, you stick to it. But me, I prefer using both of them. Example 2, we have this current market movement here, We are only taking the demand and we are not selling our supply. Why? Because the trend is bullish. We already know the direction of the market. All we do is follow the direction of the market for us to profit from it. So what you do is you go down to your smaller time frame, which is your 4 hours, and you look for your different entry criteria. For example, there are simple entry criteria, which is as simple as a counter trend line, something like this, from your demand zone. And what do? Immediately price breaks above it, you take your buy, stop loss all the way here, and you take profit, you target the swing high. And this is just a 1:5. Alright guys, so this is GDP card, and we can see that this is the monthly time frame. Just as we stated, on the monthly time frame, you're looking for the market to be in one direction, which is going upwards. So we'll go down to weekly time frame and check the trend. Weekly time frame was going upward at that point in time, and also we go down to the daily time frame, which the daily time frame at that point in time was going upward. But we can see that here, what do we have here? We can see at this point in time, the market actually broke above this point. This point acted as what? This was a resistance, and when price breaks a resistance, it changes to what? A support to push the market higher. But at this point in time, we did not just have only support, we also had a demand zone backing up the support. So on this example, we have both demand and support. So here we have demand and support. So this is demand and break and retest. So we can call this break and retest. So these two were acting as a confluence for us. At this point here, we could see the market rejecting from here, and immediately the market came back to this point, the market also pushed upward. So just as we stated, we had a demand level and we also had break and retest. So we add these two together, we are able to get this. So what do you do on the 4 hours? You go down to the 4 hours just to look for entry, which can be a break of a counter trend line, something like this. So immediately price breaks above it, you look for your entry, which is somewhere here. Stop loss below and take profit all the way up. So this is a very simple strategy that is profitable. So why is it profitable? Because you're trading in line with the trend and you'll be able to take trades that will go in line with the market directions. So most times you will come out in profit and you'll be able to profit from the financial market. So guys, don't forget to join the Telegram group and also the Telegram channel, which the link is on the description. I will pin it on the comment section. Thank you guys for staying to the end of the video. If you have any question at all, there's a number on the description and comment section which you can reach me out to ask any questions at all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and also join our Telegram channel for you to access our signals, which is totally free. So I'll see you guys on my next video.